back from my analysis videos on Thursday the 30th of November with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec Markets, looking at dollar yen, which is really accelerating higher. This stronger dollar move that we are seeing playing out today is really impacting on dollar yen. The yen is a big underperforming currency today, and that is reflected in this what looks to be a third straight strong bull candle. Momentum indicators really gaining traction now. Stochastic's buy signal confirmed. MACD lines turning around as well. RSI up towards 50. So it's looking like it's breaking this downtrend as well. That's a positive. It looks like it's going to be testing 1272, which was the latest reaction high that we're looking at within the down or the old sell-off. So it's looking positive, and a recovery back towards this sort of pivot line, really around 1295 area. To 1300, 1320 area. So it certainly seems to be on. So upside move. Tax reform is key. I can't get away from that. Tax reform will be key because the sentiment on the dollar has been certainly driven by the expectation that tax reform is likely to go through, or certainly seems more likely to go through than it did a few days ago. But we don't know because the numbers are very fluid on in the Senate, and yeah, that could have a sort of a big swing either way, really. But if the vote gets through tonight, then you're likely to see the dollar sharply higher. I think certainly testing that 12.95 level, if not beyond that. So that would be dollar yen moving higher. So you can see here on the hourly chart, you've completed this little base pattern I talked about yesterday above 1170. Gives you sort of at the big case scenario around about sort of was that 85 pips of recovery, which gives you sort of 1255 area. And again, it's not a million miles off that. So it's already pretty much made that. And look at that little pullback to the neckline technically. That's great to see. Pretty much to the pip. And then bang, it's gone again. Strong momentum. A little bit stretched, you could argue, on the hourly RSI. But looking positive to buy into weakness today. And with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading. I'll speak to you later.